Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Math Class. Today I will discuss about time. This is for class 4 and class 5. We know that time is very much important in our daily life. Usually our parents used to say that we should do work in time, and we all know that time never waits for anyone. So it is very much important. So today we should learn about time. Come here and I will show that how we will learn time. First we will draw a circle. And this circle we will divide into 4 parts. After dividing 4 parts, here we should write down 12 digit number. Twelve to 1, this 2 digit in between, we should draw 4 points. We know that time is measured by hour, minute and second. So here I drawn 2 arrows, that is small arrow, what is that is for showing the hour sign, and big arrow, it always shows you the minute sign. So here how much is the time? That time is 3 o'clock. Okay, that is a 3 o'clock. 3 denotes the hour and 00 minutes denotes the minute. Same way, if I draw the small arrow, it denotes 6. I mean this is 6 o'clock. That is very easy. If I draw small arrow, it shows in 6, but big arrow it show in 3. So how we will calculate it? 12 to 1, that is a 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 digit to another digit, it is show 5 minutes. So that is a 5 minutes. Another, this part is 5 minutes. This is also 5 minutes. So here 5 minutes, again 5 means 5 plus 5, 10 minutes. Again 5 means 15 minutes. It show 6 o'clock. Hour is 6, but minute it is 15, because 5 plus 5 plus 5. It shows 15 minutes. If I show you here how much the time, 4 it is again 5. So 4 5 means 20. 20 minutes, okay. Again 1 2, 20 plus 2. 20 plus 2 means 5 into 4 plus 2 dots. 5 into 4 means 20 plus 2 equal to 22. So it will show 6:22. This way we can draw or we can learn any kind of time. If anyone tell you we usually go 6 o'clock in the park for walk. So 6 o'clock means it is a morning or it is a evening, we can't understand. Confusion is there. So for reducing this confusion, we invent AM and PM. So what is AM and what is PM? Both two letters it came from Latin word. AM means ante-meridiem and PM means post-meridiem. Ante-meridiem means before. Meridiem means midday. Post means after midday. If I tell you 10 am we will go to market, so you can easily identify that is a morning because that is a before midday, means am. If I tell you 6 pm we will go to doctor chamber, 6 pm means it is a evening, that is a after midday. So this two way we can easily identify that is a morning half or midday half or after midday half, we can easily rectify that. We have actually two type of clock. One is 24-hour based clock, one is 12-hour based clock. Here (24-hour) clock, we should write down 0, 00 hour and 00 minute. I mean, if it is midnight 12 o'clock, it will show like that only. And 12-hour clock, it will show 12 midnight. Where actually we use 12-hour clock most of the time, but airlines and defense forces, we use 24-hour based clock. So here 1 o'clock it will come like that. 01, that is the hour part and this is the minute part, or otherwise we can write 0100 hours. Here we can write through m, we can understand that is the before midday. if I tell you that is a night, 12 o'clock we can show 00 hours. If I tell you to write down afternoon 1 o'clock, how we will write? In 24-hour based clock, 12 o'clock we should write like that, and 1 o'clock means we should write 0100. I already shown it here. So it will come 13 hours. 13 hours means that is a 1 p.m. If I tell you 2 p.m., so 1200 plus 0200 means 1400 hours. 1400 means 2 p.m. 2 p.m. we can write down in 12 based clock, 12-hour based clock, and 14 hours we should write down in 24 based clock, 24 hours based clock. Here, if someone tell us that 9 o'clock at night, it means that is a 9 p.m. Going to office at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock means morning 10 o'clock, that is a a.m. 10 a.m. Next, having breakfast at 8:30. So breakfast we know that we usually do in the early morning. So that is 8:30 a.m. Again, have a cup of tea in the evening. Evening means it is PM time, after midday. So this is the way we can easily rectify what time we should write down AM and when we should write down PM. Here I will show you how to do addition in time. Here I took 2 hour 20 minute and 8 hour 40 minute. First of all, I should write here hour and here I should write minute. So 2 hour here and 20 minutes we should write in minute part, 8 hour 40 minutes. 0, 4 plus 2 it is 6, 8 plus 2 it is 10. It will come 10 hour 60 minute. That is very easy to do the addition. Now I will show you subtraction, how we will do the subtraction. Here 3 hour 35 minutes from 8 hour 50 minute. So which one is big? 8 hour 50 minutes. So we should write here 8 hour 50 minute and here 3 hour 35 minute. It will come 5, then 1. So it came 5 hours 15 minutes. Here a football match started at 5 p.m. and finished at 6:30 p.m. What was the duration of the match? So we will write it here, starting time (5 p.m.) we can write 5 hour and finishing time (6:30 p.m.) means 6 hour 30 minute. So duration of the match (6 hours 30 minutes minus 5 hours). So I already shown you how to do the subtraction. So here we will write hour and here minute. 6 hours 30 minutes, here 5 hours 00 minute. 0 3 1. So duration of the match is 1 hour 30 minutes. Now I am going to show you how to convert 24-hour time to 12-hour time. Here I took 1500 hour. So how we will convert 1500 hour minus 1200 hour. Previously I shown how to do subtraction. So here 1500 minus 1200, 0 0 3. So it came 0300 hours, or we can write 3. Like this way we can get our result. Same way, if I write down here 1840 hours, how will write down 1840 hour minus 1200 hour. So 1840 minus 1200, it will come 0460. So my result will be 0640 hour, or we can write 640. This is the way we can get our result. So that is very easy to convert 24-hour time to 12-hour time. Now I am going to show you converting hour into minute. We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So I took here 3 hours. How will write 3 into 60? Because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, when we will convert it hour to minute, we should multiply 3 with 60. It will came 180 minutes. Here I took 5.5 hours. How will write? plus half into 60, okay, minute. 5 into 60 means 300, plus when we will divide 60 by 2, it will come 30 after division. So it came 330 minutes after this addition. This is the way we can easily convert hour to minute. Now I will show you converting minutes into hours. So 140 minutes we should divide by 60. Then we can easily get the hour. 60, it will come 2, then 120, 0, 2, that is hour and minute. So our answer will be 140 minute. When we will transfer into hour, we should write it here 2 hour 20 minute. Same way we will do 240 minute. We will divide it by 60. 4 into 60, it will come 240. So here 0 only it came. So our answer will be 4 hour. So 240 minute, when we will convert into hours, our result will be 4 hour. This is the way we can convert minutes to hour, and previously I show you hour to minute. Now I am going to end my class. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get all the notification in future. Thank you. Have a nice day.